Tension is rising in the Middle East after Israel allegedly attacked Iranian consulate building in the Syrian capital Damascus. Israel has not confirmed the attack that killed 7 military advisors, including 3 senior commanders. Syrian foreign ministers denounced the incident and accused Israel of violating international law, particularly the Vienna Convention on Diplomatic Relations of 1961, which defines a framework for diplomatic relations between independent countries.
We know that this act is done out of desperation, and the regime is in serious predicament and is caught in its internal crisis and the war in Gaza. It is natural that, in line with crisis-solving strategy, it tries to transfer the crisis from the inside to the outside to free itself a little.
The World Health Organization says the destruction of Al-Shifa Hospital amounts to ripping the heart out of the health system of the war-torn Palestinian enclave. WHO wants to send a mission to where the hospital stood to save the lives of the remaining patients.
We've had contact with the staff. The directors told us that Al-Shifa Hospital is gone, that it's no longer able to function in any shape or form as a hospital. We know that at least 21 patients died during the period of the siege. We also know that the staff had to bring the patients together in a building that wasn't even a clinical building. It was a human resources administration area.
Israel has also come under fire after its troops killed a group of aid workers in Gaza. Citizens from Australia, Britain and Poland are among those confirmed dead. They were working for the World Central Kitchen.
Shocked and saddened to hear the reported deaths of aid workers in Gaza. We're urgently working to confirm all the details, but my thoughts right now with their friends and family. They're doing fantastic work, bringing alleviation to the suffering that many are experiencing in Gaza. They should be praised and commended for what they're doing. They need to be allowed to do that work unhindered.
Australia expects full accountability for the deaths of aid workers, which is completely unacceptable. Aid workers and those doing humanitarian work, and indeed all innocent civilians, need to be provided with protection. Australia has had a very clear position of supporting a sustainable ceasefire, of calling for it for some period of time.
Israeli military says an independent and professional expert body will investigate the deaths.
We have been reviewing the incident in the highest levels to understand the circumstances of what happened and how it happened. We will be opening a probe to examine this serious incident further. This will help us reduce the risk of such an event from occurring again. The incident will be investigated in the fact-finding and assessment mechanism, an independent professional and expert body.
Meanwhile, the United States says if reports are true that Israel is trying to shut down the news network Al Jazeera, it would be concerning. Khayelihle, Khumalo, SABC News, Johannesburg.